I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch is paired and the iPhone camera is active. Open camera remote on the watch now and place the iPhone where it won't move. Once done, use your iPhone to frame the shot and set focus and exposure because the watch mirrors that viewfinder. Make sure live photo or flash settings on the phone are how you want them, since the watch controls the trigger but not detailed camera controls. Now you're ready to compose. From the watch, you can see the live view and make fine compositional tweaks without touching the phone. Nudging the phone slightly changes framing instantly. Tap the shutter on the watch for an immediate shot, or choose the 3-second or 10-second timer on the watch for hands-free shots. Alternatively, press the watch's digital crown or side button as a shutter. Remember, zoom and flash remain controlled on the iPhone, so adjust those on the phone before you trigger from. After shooting, review the image on your iPhone or use the watch preview to confirm the result. If you need more shots, adjust angle and retry. If images come out blurry, make sure stabilization is enabled, use the timer, or mount the phone on a tripod to eliminate camera shake. If the watch fails to trigger the phone, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active, bring devices closer, or restart the watch or phone to restore the connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.